Hi, I'm Tax Guru Zen Chow. Are you around the age where you might need to start filing tax by yourself? Now, filing taxes can seem daunting, but one important step is knowing how to first time log into your account on the MyTax Portal. Now, if you have no idea on how to do first time login to your MyTax account, watch this video till the end as a member from my team will walk you through everything.
Hi, if you are just a tax rookie like me, I can guarantee you that this is actually not that complicated. Let's dive into this together and I bet you will master this in no time. First, when you go to the MyTax Portal, you will see a page like this. Choose your identification type. In this case, we will choose identification number. Enter your identification number, click Submit. For the digital certificate application method, select ECP55D. Click Yes. Enter your email address, upload your IC copy. Just like that, and you are done. Your new application will then be processed, and within 5 days, you will be notified via the registered email. Remember to check your inbox regularly within these 5 days. You will receive an email titled Permohonan Nombor PIN, and click on the activation link provided in the email. You will then be directed to the MyTax Portal. Select IC number as your ID type and enter your new identification number. After that, you will be guided to the basic information verification part. Create your password and type your security phrase. Click on Agree after reading the terms and conditions for digital certificate registration. Click Submit. You will then be informed that the digital certificate generation is successful. Click OK. Now log out and try to log in again and see if your account really works. That's all for my sharing today, and please remember to share and like this video so that more people will get to see this tutorial. And I'll see you in the next video.